Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on Lelit Bianca. This espresso machine came in with a blown heating element. It was hard to get out of the tank. Anyway, we got it out. We took that opportunity to get a lot of the scale out of the tank. Let's see how the shot came out. These are cool machines. Has a paddle to help flow. Nice pressure. Nice pressure. Timer over there. I'm going to stop it right at about 28 seconds. There we go. Let's check the steam. Strong steam. Let's check the water. There we go. Machine's asking for water again. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.